Zoom meeting type, nothing.
Okay, right, sir.
Okay, sir. So now it is started recording, right? So first, sir, we have to log into our domain account. Now my domain account is, you can see on the right hand side upper corner. Did I share my screen, sir? No, not a shared. I will share my screen. Wait, sir.
Right.
I hope you are getting my screen, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So first we will log into our domain account. I hope you can see on the right hand side upper corner. I have placed my mouse there. So it is showing Puneet054 at shridatta.ac.in.
Exactly.
So we have to log in as according to our domain ID passwords created by college. So once we log in, next thing is we need to go to calendar. So where is the calendar? That is the next question. So calendar will be at the right hand side. Down apps are there here below this what I placed. So here is calendar available. Click that calendar, you will get something like this. So if you can do anything, whatever you can do here also, but if you want to enlarge, it will take to the new tab. So here in the new tab, you will be having at the left side dates and all, and according to the particular date, you will be having timings in the row wise. Okay. So now tomorrow, me and Krishna Reddy sir, we together are conducting one session, sir. So for that, I will create the link. So tomorrow means Monday, 24th. I will click 24th. So our session will start exactly at 9:30. So I will click here. We don't have 9:30 exactly, something like that. We can edit here in the timing session. So first, let me add a title. So day 1 session, 24th August 2020. You can give the title as according to your subject name, sir. So suppose if you are taking subject as web technology, you can give as web technology. Since I am adding regarding tomorrow's what me and Krishna Reddy sir are conducting. So our class starts at 9:30. So if you click here, you will get some options. Okay, or otherwise directly you can edit here, not a problem. So I have a whole number here 9:30 a.m. So I will click that. So automatically it will adjust for 1 hour time. So not only 1 hour, you can extend this session for more than 1 hour also. Suppose you need more. Okay. So you can add here guests also, whomever you want to call for. Now I want to call my another account. So what I will do, I will type my mail ID here. I typed my alternative email ID and I will click. I want to add Google Meet video conferencing also. So I will click this. So it will get me one link. So you can see, I hope you can see this link here, meet.google.com/mkh-ukpb-ipy. So this is my link. And due we are logged in with our college domain, so we have 250 participant eligibility. Okay, sir. So then also we will get even say a recording option, right? What I am doing now. Okay. So what I will do, once I do this, I will click save. So once I do click save, if I am adding any guest, it will ask me to send invitation email to them directly. So I will click send. So invite external guests. So automatically I will get my in my mail the invitation. So I hope I will open my another mail that to which I sent the invitation. So you can see there is a mail from Puneet054 at shridatta.ac.in. So I got a mail. So day 1 session 24th August 2020. at 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. I have a session. So this is the link and all whatever I will receive. Other than this, you can directly go to WhatsApp also, and you can just what you can do, you can just copy this. You can copy from here. You are copying. Let me show you how to copy from the calendar. So once you create the link, there will be from 9:30 to 10:30 session will be there. So it will be showing in your calendar. So go to that calendar place and just click it. So once you click it, again it will show all the details whatever are there. So you can join the meeting at a time. Once you are starting the meeting directly by clicking here, it will open the session. Or else you want to just copy the link, just click here, copy conference link to clipboard. Click here, it will show successfully copied to clipboard. So once it is copied, then you can directly go to the email or compose like that, and you can do send it to the required member whom you want to invite. Or else if you have what is that connection with your WhatsApp web account with your browser, then directly you can get through that app also. You can invite the students in the WhatsApp. So for reference, what I will do, I will copy this link and I will paste in the WhatsApp group, and I will send it to all my students. So this is I will do. So once that is done, so once we start the meeting, it will be in this way. Okay. So how to present your screen? So there is one option here, present screen. So defaultly, once I'm not presenting, defaultly when I'm not presenting, suppose if I do cancel, it will show me like present screen now. So present screen, how to do? You just click it. So select your entire screen. So once you select your entire screen, it will give me an option here. 1 second. So I will get like this. So I need to click on this and press share button. So once I press the share button, so my screen will be getting started sharing. So my screen will be getting started sharing. So like this, I need to share the screen. Okay. So next, if you want to go for recording and all, so there is a three buttons, three dots are available, which are arranged in vertical way at the right lower corner. If you click that, you will get number of options. So since it is our college domain Gmail account, so we will be having a paid version defaultly due because college has paid to the Google Suite, whatever it is using for as a server. So we will get anyhow this option called a stop recording. But if you go to your Gmail account, normal one, which is not having any college domain, and you start for clicking this button, so you may get it only up till change layout. You will not get this recording button. So a recording will be there button as usual. So if I click that, it will start recording. Now if I want to stop recording, then I need to click this, it will stop recording. It will ask for